about halfway through the course, and hopefully you have been listening to the relaxation recordings attached to each lecture. And if you have been going into a state of hypnosis. So what is hypnosis? Really, all it is a focused state of relaxation. It's like getting an internal massage. It's not mind control or anything like that. It's just a way to reprogram your subconscious mind. So your subconscious mind is where all of your inbuilt beliefs and behaviors live, where all of those dark fears hang out. So what we're doing in hypnosis is we're dropping down into your subconscious mind and we're turning any negatives that might live down there into positives. We're just reframing them and we're making these beautiful shifts in your mind that create beautiful shifts in your reality. And hypnosis is a very natural state to be in. You enter hypnosis every morning when you're kind of awake, but you're still kind of asleep. You enter hypnosis again as you're falling asleep at night, when you're not fully asleep, but you're not fully awake. When you're driving home and you pull into your driveway, but you can't consciously remember the last 5 minutes, and yet here you are, you're safe and sound. What happened was you went into hypnosis and your conscious mind went over here thinking about what you're going to have for dinner, and your subconscious mind came up and said, okay, I know how to get home, and it took control. When you're in the zone and you start doing a project that you just love and 6 hours passes by in what felt like 10 minutes, that was a state of hypnosis. When you're watching a movie and you're so absorbed in what's happening to the characters and you laugh when something funny happens and you cry when something sad happens, that's a state of hypnosis. So again, it's a very organic, natural state that you enter into multiple times each day. But the beautiful thing with hypnotherapy, what I'm using with you when we do those relaxation recordings, is I'm being very specific in how I use hypnosis. I'm entering very positive, birthing specific messages into your mind that are going to greatly enhance this experience that you're on, that are going to help you release those fears without having to take lots of action. We just release them. We give you freedom from your fears by digging down into your subconscious mind and turning the negatives into positives. So congratulations, you've already become a pro at going into a state of hypnosis just by being alive.